Hello and welcome to Online Q's, the YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can make a VK account. Now VK is an online social media and online networking platform that is mainly used by users in Russia. It does offer a lot of languages on the site, so other than Russian users there are a few other users who use this social networking site for the different purposes that it sort of has different features it has on the social media network. So the first thing that you would have to do is go to vk.com. It's very simple as that. And then when the page loads, a sign up form will load on the right side of your screen like this over here. So first you need to do is type in your name. And then select your birthday, and then select your gender, and then continue registration, or you can also use your Facebook ID to kind of sign up. So I need to validate my account, so I'm going to type in my phone number. So you do have to make sure that you tick next to I've read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on get code. In a few seconds, you will get a phone call from a unique phone number. You need to enter the last four digits of this number. So I'm going to receive a call. So I need to enter the four last digit of the phone number of the phone call that I just received. Please make sure that the number might vary from every user. So what I'm typing here right now might not be the case for you, so don't type what I've just typed over here on the screen. So I am validating. Now I would need to type in a password that I can use, and then click on join VK. So I have successfully registered. I can also find my friends if I enter information about myself, which I'm gonna skip. You shouldn't skip that if you want to find friends on VK, if you want to be more sociable. So you can see that it's almost similar to a Facebook networking site that we have. So this is basically where you can post photos, videos, music, and write status about yourself, and you can also follow people on this online social media, or you can follow pages of your favorite likes and such as that, like La Liga. You can follow this profile to get its latest news and all that. To this one which will appear over here. So this is practically how much easy it is to create profile and an account on vk.com. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.